Good day, everybody! Today's video we're talking about Cerave and Cetaphil, whatever way to pronounce it. And before I start, to say that there are two types of cleansers. Today, in this video here, we're talking about the facial cleansers. And there is also the body and facial cleansers that I will talk about this in the next video. You can find, if it's already recorded, you can find it on the description below. And so I want to be quick. I don't want to be just mucking around and just talking a lot of things that no sense. So let's get started. From my point of view as a user, right? I tried this and I have for some reason I bought a lot of these ones because there are some promotions and some offers, and I got the gel, the cleansing gel from Cerave, and I got the liquid soap from Cetaphil. And okay, so let's start with I'm gonna start with the Cetaphil. And before I start, I want to share that they're almost the same in consistency, and there's not so much of difference, but the Cetaphil has a better smell. So if you want to have smell-free, something that doesn't contain smells, then you can just eliminate Cetaphil for sure. But they're very basic cleansers. I didn't think they work the best when I tried to remove makeup, but I really like to use them in the morning when I wake up, or when I don't have makeup on and I just don't need that kind of cheaper cleansing, or you can use it for double cleansing. So between these two ones, I think the Cerave is a bit more gentle on my skin, definitely, while Cetaphil still gives my skin a bit not itchy, tight, a bit tight. And of course, after I apply a serum or something like this, things get better, but that's the thing. And what else should I remember to say? I think that's all. And which one do I like best? I would say Cerave, because I thought it was a bit more hydrating than Cetaphil. It doesn't mean that all Cerave products will be more hydrating than Cetaphil, because there are lots of products. I did a lot of comparison with other products, but for this case here, the winner, in my opinion, was this one, was Cerave. But the difference is not that huge. It's more like the way you feel it. For results as well, it worked fine. But another recommendation that I do is that maybe it's not, in my case, I didn't feel that it was the best solution for me for removing makeup, as I have some other products that I prefer for this. But this is the quick review. It's really quick, it's straight to the point, and I have written a full review of all, or not almost all, but huge number of products of Cerave and Cetaphil. I give the description here, the link here in the description, and you can visit for more details, because I wrote some details about this that you can take a look. Okay, subscribe and share and give it a like. Have a nice day.